Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. What do we have here? It is, I believe, a transparent Bluetooth speaker. This one's black. Yep, wireless speaker. And here's the bottom. To see the cable, user manual, the Bluetooth speaker itself. Oh, with the sub exposed. Okay. There you go. 5-watt wireless and transparent. I should read it. And there it is. Top we have the power, and then we have the lights. Looks like the plug, and then you can hang out. The size of my hands. So there you go. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.